Hi guys, welcome back to Riding with Cash. Hope you're well and safe. So today I'm heading out to what's called iMotorsport. It's one of the biggest motorcycle warehouse in North America. They have a couple of them across US, thousands of bikes. So Himalayan was a perfect, adventure bike. Less power. Interceptor is a perfect bike, but doesn't have the adventure element. It has, great elements to ride around. A lot of stuff, but for a long distance adventure ride, it doesn't really fit the bill unless you start doing a lot of modifications on it, which is possible. So meanwhile, there's a lot more bikes now in the market space that have come out in the last couple of years. Maybe there's something else that might fit the bill, maybe even a used one, maybe somebody's giving away a bike. So we're gonna go check out this huge warehouse and look at the options, see what we have, or maybe we can, start doing some Interceptor mods that might help us, do long distance adventure riding within US, Canada, and Mexico. Right there, wow. Indian motorcycles, slingshot, Can-Ams. All right, let's check it out. Look at that slingshot.
That's a 2021 Spider. It's again a three-wheel motorcycle, but it has two wheels in the front, one in the back. And that's a Spider. That's a 21 Spider. It's an RT. So it has all the luggage racks and everything, heated seats, heated grips, cruise controls, nice GPS, windscreen that goes up and down. You literally, ride it safely. And that's Can-Am too, but that's called a Riker. So that's a single seat, but you can, same three-wheel motorcycle, two in the front, more scaled down. You can have a double seat too. So you can have a two-seater. This will be more comfortable though. You can long distance, you can literally, you don't have to put your feet down, right? So if you're riding, you don't have to put your feet down. You gotta get used to that. Oh, that's a 900cc too. That's pretty cool. That's a 900 too. And they're very powerful. They're very powerful. They go very fast. I've seen people, and you can kind of soup them up with kind of adventure style. Obviously, you can't go dirt biking or off-roading with this kind of stuff. They will be more like on the road. This is very interesting. And then you have slingshot that have all the accessories, so you can actually have cover. This is technically still a motorcycle. In some states you can get away with a car license too, because it kind of has has a car feel to it. These are manual slingshots. Drive it, so you need to know how to drive stick. It still qualifies as a motorcycle, but you can soup it up and drive it in all weather, so it doesn't matter if it starts raining or not, you can still keep riding. You have to wear a helmet in these, because they have cages inside, so still have the feeling of being open. It actually has a GM engine. It has the same engine that a lot of GM cars. It's a 2-liter engine that's in there, made by General Motors. So the maintenance is the same as you're maintaining a car, oil changes and all that stuff, but still certified as a motorcycle, at least in Illinois. So it's pretty interesting. So these ones are made by Corbin. These are off-market seats. They are very high-end, seat manufacturers in the US. They're pure leather. They're handmade. Pretty expensive. It's supposed to be $1,000 each on the seats, just in seats itself. They make a very nice seat for Interceptor. It's almost $600 plus of the backrest. It's hand stitched. Not the kind of ones you get from India. These are really nice. They're good for adventure riding, but they have like 2 months delivery. So if you order it, then you can change the style and colors. And so this is the time, you know, when you want to make your Interceptor into a long distance riding, you got to change those seats because those seats are not designed to do that. So interesting, they have Corbin seats here. Let's check out more bikes.
Different color.
Bikes, and more bikes. That's the same. So interestingly, the slingshot is made by Polaris, and Canon is made. So the Spider and the Rikers are made by Canon, and they're both made in Canada. That's pretty interesting. So this is the Canon Spider, and it's an RT. It's a 2021. It's like almost $30,000 motorcycle. It's got music, sound, GPS. It has a moving windshield, heated grips, heated seats, no luggage carriers. You can pretty much do a lot of long distance riding with this kind of stuff. Even these grips here for the passenger, even they are heated. It's pretty cool. Let's go to the used section. So these are all the used bikes. This is like a heaven. Look at that. There's a Ducati. There's a Triumph. Let's go check it out. So mostly we need what's called an adventure bike, or something that will do long distance riding. So some of these that qualify. These are long distance touring motorcycles. Well, that's a Moto Guzzi. That's a Ducati. So the one that this is a multi-strada 1200S. So this is exactly available with a friend of mine. He wants about 7,000 for it. It has 30,000 miles on it. Exact same bike, but it's in red color. The one that's sitting with Will. This is grey. This is a newer generation. The one that's a 2012. This is a long distance tourer. It is made of carbon fiber. It's very light and can do really long distance. This is a Ducati. It kind of fires differently. It's a Triumph. That's a Triumph Trophy. That's an Aprilia. Now that's the right size for the kind of riding I do. And that's about, oh wow. In 2015 for about $9,000. Wow, that's a good one. Oh, BMW 1200 RT. Now this is the god of motorcycles for touring. It's top of the line.
Anything after 2013 is the 1330. Both of them are going to be comfortable enough for long distances and things like that, but obviously 1330 is quite a bit more power than 900. And so something like this is capable of doing long distances. Would I recommend it the way you guys ride? Not necessarily. Now something like that is a little different. That is more than capable of handling it because it has the 1330 engine in it. It has the saddlebags, their touring pack.
If you like watching Riding with Cash, hit subscribe and join me on the next ride.
As much space for your cargo and the amenities and the power like that.
See, I'm a biker, right? So from 2 wheels to 3 wheels, that's getting a little odd, right? It's like, what is this? How can it be? How can we have 3 wheels and still call it a motorcycle, right? But again, it's interesting. Look at that. Man, beautiful. Wow. Like, if they give us, well, that's 2013 Triumph Trophy, yes, that's like brilliant. It's not getting miles on it. Wow. A lot of bikes, a lot of different bikes. Right now, this one is a Canon Ryker. It's a 900cc. It's a 3-wheel bike. Then you have the Canon Spider. It's a 3-wheel. We saw a lot of other bikes like Ducatis, BMWs, Yamahas, Hondas,
I'm really confused. I really need an adventure bike that has a lot of power in it, do long distance riding with it, go across the borders and so forth. So I'll keep looking, keep thinking, and keep riding my little Enfield I still have, and keep having more fun with it. So till then, see you guys next time.